Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change Twitch name. So let's have a look now. First log into your Twitch account. Now go for profile, then select settings. Now from the profile setting, scroll down and you will see username and display name. Click on display name and change your name. So it's that easy. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.